Hello everyone, this is Nishant, co-founder and CEO at Examerly. I've done my BTech from IIT BHU and I've spent almost the last entire decade giving different exams like JEE, BITSAT, AIEEE, UPSC and UPPCS. So exam strategies are really close to my heart. A, because I've spent almost 33% of my life giving exams and I've written extensively about exams on Quora and have about 1.2 million views. So why Examerly? Why another platform in a country, in a market where there are like hundreds and thousands of platforms preparing people for different exams? That is basically because literally none of the platforms is focused on students and trying to solve the problems of the students. What our platform does is that it makes learning paths for students according to their needs, according to where they are and where they want to end up. So the problem that we've caught or identified is that planning for exams is something that is really difficult, needs a lot of expertise and wastes a lot of time of people, and more often than not, people end up damaging their own results because of wasting time here. Case in point is also our own CTO, Tribhuvan, who wasn't able to attempt the UPSC even after spending more than 2 lakhs and 3 years of his life preparing for that exam because he never really got that much of time out of his job. So what our platform does is that you simply come onto the platform, you attempt a couple of tests, it identifies where you are and it charters a plan for you which keeps evolving as you keep moving ahead in the journey. I have previously, before starting this company, pitched this idea to multiple edtech companies, but I guess no one was really focused around solving problems of students. Hence, we got together and started this company. So what's the end goal? End goal or vision is not just to serve exams. It is to become a platform where anyone can come, put in their goals, and the platform will automatically curate the entire internet according to you, according to your learning needs, according to your pace of journey, and you can enjoy learning without the friction and hassle of planning iteratively multiple times and wasting a lot of time here. At the end of the day, what we are trying to do is make the entire process simple, friction-free, reduce the time as well as the money spent, and hence prepare India as well as the world for a better learning experience. Thank you.